CompTIA Tech Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 4.2, Identify fundamental data types and their characteristics. Floats. Float is a data type composed of a number that is not an integer, because it includes a fractional value represented in decimal format. If you see a decimal point in the value and no quotation marks, there is a good chance it is a float. Now, one thing to be on the lookout for is a whole number represented with a 0 to the right of the decimal point. Do you see the last float example 22.0? The 0 in 22.0 adds no additional value to the number and could easily have been represented as just 22, but as long as there is a decimal point, this will belong to the float data type and not the integer data type. With the float data type, you can absolutely use mathematical operations. You can even mix float data types with integer data types. Just be careful of integer data types turning into float data types as a result of a mathematical operation. Let's use 5/2 as an example. The 5 is an integer and the 2 is an integer. Once the division operation takes place, the quotient becomes 2.5. Now you have a float. Depending on the programming language, this could cause an error. So be mindful of this in the future. The float data type also supports relational operations. A very common use for the float data type is currency or monetary values. The example here is using the float data type to keep track of an account balance. Can you think of any other uses for the float data type? Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.